So the building across from us was built in 1867 and claims to be one of Dublin's best four-star hotels. So we have a mix of history and then we have a touch of modern luxury. So this is the Davenport Hotel next to Merrion Square. So we're going to check in, folks. We're going to check out the hotel, see what it's like to stay in, and then we'll go from there. So we'll chat to you all in a bit. Okay, folks, so this is the room. Quite a spacious room. The really, really nice headboard. And it's great to see a seat in there. There are actually two seats. We're in an awful lot of hotels. You have two people staying, and there'll be actually one chair for one person to sit in. So that's quite nice. And then you have a nice desk here. Old school telephone. You have a Dyson, I'm assuming it's a hairdryer. Okay, remote control. Yeah, QR code for something. Okay, mirror. Hello. Nice, really nice bedside. Lockers there. And then the bed. A very big bed and a very high bed, nice and soft. Lots of pillows, cushions, heavy blanket on the end, and then we have an area here for basically your bag. And I assume it's the storage. Yep, for storage. Tea and coffee, and we have a really nice espresso machine. Various sachets. You have little biscuits, sugar, tea, hot chocolate. We have a kettle and some really, really nice cups. We have a mini fridge. And it's, yep, 2 bottles of complimentary water, some actual real milk. Wow, instead of the UHT awful stuff. And some really nice art. In the room, and then we have a wardrobe. Yeah. 2 nice, really fluffy bathrobes. Branding on point. Slippers too. There you go. And then you have the usual ironing board, and then you have a safe as well. Okay, so we'll check out the bathroom. Yeah, nice, really nice marble bathroom. Not huge, but big enough for your needs. Quite a big, really big shower. Big rainfall shower. Yeah, and lots of the conditioner, body wash, shower gel, shampoo, etc. What's the shower like? Yep. Really, really good shower. You'd probably get 3 people in here if you had to in an emergency. And then we have a nice wash hand basin. Mirror again. Makeup mirror, very important for the ladies. The usual toilet tissues. Yeah, really, really, really nice room, really clean. Yep, carpet is absolutely spotless in the room. So we'll let's see what see what our view is like. Not too bad. Nice. So Leaf view there. Bar across the road, the Ginger Man. So that's the room tour, folks. Yeah, really, really nice room. It doesn't look like it was done up too long ago, because the room is in immaculate condition, absolutely spotless, and it's an absolutely huge room. Oh yeah, there's this thing. There. So yeah, really, really nice. So we'll check out the rest of the hotel, and nice headboard, and I'll come back to you all later on. Take care. Okay, folks, so this is the 1863 lounge. A really, really nice place to sit, have a drink in the hotel. Beautifully decorated and really, really comfortable. Morning, folks. This is the morning after the night before. So slept extremely well. Really, really big, comfortable bed. Had a fantastic night's sleep. It's really quiet around here. Not a sound during the night. So a nice, comfortable sleep all night. So my thoughts on the hotel and the room. As I'm saying, it's a huge room. I've stayed in other 4-star hotels where the rooms will be half the size of this, and it cost an awful lot more than what we paid for this room. So we actually paid €170 for the room, which is very good compared to some hotel prices in Dublin. You know, a lot of the average prices start around €250 a night in Dublin. So the 170 was really, we done well to get that price. And as I was saying, the room is huge, it's comfortable, it's clean, and it's modern. You know, it's an extremely well kept, and the whole hotel is extremely well kept. Everything is immaculate in the hotel, very friendly staff, nice areas to sit. The bar especially is a really, really nice, comfortable area to sit and have a drink or have a bit of food. And then there is a spa in the hotel. Now we couldn't go down there and film because obviously people were down there, so I don't want to be filming in those areas. But definitely the Davenport is definitely worth checking out if you're staying in Dublin. And what I'll do is we'll go outside and I'll show you how close you actually are to a lot of the main attractions in Dublin. Now folks, so I just wanted to show you how close the hotel is to a lot of the main attractions here in Dublin. So on the corner there you have, it's basically where Oscar Wilde lived. So it would have been the family home there right on the corner. And the hotel is actually next to it, just further down the street there. And then over here, this is Merrion Square. And there's the sculpture to Oscar Wilde himself. And then where the black railings are over there on the far side road, that's the National Gallery of Ireland. Further up then you have government buildings of the Irish Parliament. And then the street there where you just see the cars turning, you follow that street for 10 minutes and you're at Trinity College. You go up past government buildings here, turn right, and again 10 to 12 minutes you're in St. Stephen's Green. So where the hotel is very, very central. And then you have this nice park, as I'm saying, Merrion Square, next to the hotel. It's very centrally located. Now we didn't eat in the hotel last night. What we did was, there's a place I want to recommend, and it's up on Camden Street. And if you're into Mediterranean food, kind of Middle Eastern food, there's a restaurant called the Damascus Gate. And The food and the service there are second to none. The food is absolutely amazing in the restaurant. So that's where we were last night, and I just wanted to recommend that to you. So that kind of sums up our stay. I'm actually glad we stayed here. A great hotel, really comfortable, great night's sleep, lovely room. So guys, if you have any recommendations for places for us to stay, please do let me know down in the comments and we'll check them out. And please don't forget to like, subscribe, ring the notification bells. It does help the channel, helps the channel to grow. And keep an eye out for some of my next adventures. I have a couple of interesting trips coming up within the next 2 weeks. And I hope to see you all again soon. Take care. Bye bye.